Company, Preferences, Forms. One of the major drawbacks of accounting programs in existence today is their inability to create and adjust forms for each of the various types of businesses. Klix has created the most advanced accounting system to date, which will allow you to adapt your forms according to your personal preference or specific need for a particular type of form, which you can access and print through Klix. Your first step in this screen is to select the type of document you want to customize. Let's suppose you want to create an invoice. From here, you can select and indicate to the system which of the various types of invoices you wish to establish as your permanent, or in other words, as the invoice that will be recognized as a default invoice by the system each time you carry out a transaction. You can have and use as many forms of invoices as you'd like, although once you have selected the default or permanent invoice, the system will automatically utilize this invoice every time you initiate a transaction. Ones you later customize can be modified or erased. The first step is to go to Download. From here, you will download the invoice format that is predetermined within the system. The invoice will be in the Word format, which will allow you to modify the invoice as you wish. You can also add or change data, as well as add your logo in the Word format onto the invoice. Let's suppose that you want to add a photograph onto the invoice. First, copy the photograph you wish to utilize, then paste it in the location on the invoice where you wish for it to appear. If you would like to add other concepts, go to Template Help and click on Invoices. This will open a wide array of invoices for you to view and use any concepts as you wish. To avoid script error, it's best to copy the information, then paste it in the location on the invoice where you want the information to appear. Once you're finished with the modifications to the invoice, save it in a location in your computer where you can easily find it. Once this is done, go to Upload and click the Search button. Now locate the folder where you stored the invoice. Once you find it, upload it into the system. Then press the Save button located at the foot of the page. That's all you have to do to create your custom documents. Your next step is to return to the default browser, then press the Save as Default button on your screen. This will indicate to the system to utilize by default the invoice that you just customized every time you initiate an invoice, unless you otherwise specify.